Are you stuck staring at a blank page? Or maybe you start writing but give up halfway? Trust me, you're not alone. In this video, I am breaking down the most common struggles every writer faces, and more importantly, how to overcome them so that you can finally finish that book that you have always been dreaming of. And here's the truth, writing isn't easy. Even the best writers struggle. But the difference is they learn how to deal with the challenges instead of quitting. So let's talk about 5 common struggles and how you can beat them. You sit down, you open your document, and your mind goes blank. Does it sound familiar? What is the solution? Give yourself a prompt. Start with, today I'm writing about. Or if I could teach one thing today, it would be what? Right? Fill that. And remember, the first draft is just you telling yourself the story. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. You write one line and then you delete it. You rewrite, you delete again. Sounds familiar? Right? What is the solution? Separate writing and editing. Your job is to finish the first draft. Do not think of editing at the first stage. A lot of people do this mistake. They start editing and writing parallelly. What I tell my mentees all the time is just write. And when they are able to write, what they see after a few days is they have already written thousands of words. But when you get caught up in writing and editing parallelly, what happens is you might have written 1,000 words. If you are writing that for the next 5 to 6 days, you would end up writing 6,000 to 7,000 words. But then if you get stuck up with editing, what happens is instead of reaching to those 7,000 words, you will stay stuck at 2,000 or 3,000 words. So don't do that. Rather try this. Set a timer for 20 minutes. During that time, no editing, no deleting. Just write. You will be amazed at what flows out when you stop judging every word. When you just allow the thoughts to free flow. The most common excuse I hear is, I don't have time. What's the solution? Make time in small pockets. You don't need 3 hours. Write 15 minutes in the morning or maybe like 500 words during your break time. Writing a book is equal to small, consistent effort. It's not a giant burst once in a while. You start strong, but after a few days or weeks, you stop. Does that happen with you? What is the solution? Reconnect with your why. See, the reason why a lot of people get stuck is because their reason is not strong. Ask yourself, why did you want to write this? Who are you writing this for? Write your why on a sticky note or even in a notebook or maybe on a laptop. Start typing in, what is my why? Look at it before every single session. Right? And if you can, find an accountability buddy, someone to check in with you, right? If you have ever thought, who am I to write a book? Or why would anyone read what I have to say? Let me tell you, even I was stuck there. And a lot of people who actually interact with me, I've seen they get stuck there. Self-doubt, right? They think, I'm not good enough, right? Why will people read my book? And if you are also facing the same, the solution is simple. Focus on service, not on yourself. Your story, your lessons, your knowledge, they can help someone. And that's the reason enough for you to write, no matter the struggle. Here are 3 things that can always help. Number 1, set small, clear goals like 500 words a day. Celebrate small wins because progress equals to success. Be kind to yourself because writing is a journey, it's not a race. And remember, every writer you admire, they struggled too, but they kept going. So what is your biggest writing struggle right now? Drop in the comments box. Let's have a conversation. And if you want to have my free writing struggle survival guide, check the link in the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on writing, publishing, marketing, and building your authority. Until next time, happy writing.